But this is rock, paper, scissors. So you do 1, 2, 3, scissors. 1, 2, 3, rock. And 1, 2, 3, paper.
Alright, ready? Play the game.
Alright, tell her which one to do. You ready? 1, 2, 3. You did scissors?
Yeah.
You win! Good job.
Scissors cut paper.
Good job.
Ooh.
Alright.
Alright, last one. One more and then you're going to bed.
Which one are you going to do? 1, 2, 3, rock!
1, 2, 3, rock!
Good job.
Yeah.
Alright, give me a hug. Good night.
Good night.
We'll play tomorrow.
Okay.
Love you.
I'll play with my mama.
Okay.
Love you.